channel Ready to Learn Pro.
In this video, we are going to create a program generating 6-digit random number. For that, we required Java Security Secure Random package. For that, first we are going to understand what is Java.security package. The Java Security package contains several classes. The Java Security package contains several classes and interfaces for enhancing application security. Java.security package contains a class secure random. What is secure random? Java random class to obtain random values. We use secure random that can produce random boolean, byte, float, double, int, long. Secure random objects produce non-deterministic random numbers that cannot be predicted. Now we are going to create our program. For that, first we are going to write import java.security dot secure random secure random. Then inside main we are going to create a new secure random number generator object. For that we are going to write secure random numbers equals to new secure random. Now array of frequency counter. For that we are going to write int array frequency equals to new int 7. Now we are going to create for loop. For inside for int counter equals to 1, then semicolon, then counter less than equals to 20, then again semicolon, then counter plus plus. Then inside for loop, now inside for loop we are going to write plus plus frequency in square bracket 1 plus random numbers dot next int 6 semicolon. Then outside the for loop we are going to write output each array element's value. For that we are going to write for int I equals to 1, then semicolon, then I less than frequency dot length semicolon, then I plus plus. Then inside curly braces we are going to write system.out.printf in double quotes %4 d, then frequency in square bracket I. Now we are going to run this program. Just click on that. Our program runs successfully. Our output is 253415. Again we are going to run this program. Number is changed. We are going to write a line here. Sys out your random number is then run again. Then your random number is 522533. So this is a random number, 6-digit random number. So congratulations guys, your program ran successfully, and for more videos please subscribe our channel.